Today I will be reviewing for you this rubber stamper from KKCenterHk.com, and this is the sort of stamper that you do not need a scraper for. On their website it's item SPP A19. For this demonstration, the base color that I'm wearing is by Rimmel, and it is called Caramel Cupcake. I'll also be using a dark blue, which is also by Rimmel, and this one is called Blue-Eyed Girl. And I'll also be using a teal color. This one's by Sally Hansen, and it is called Mint Spirit. I want to start off by showing you with this stamper, you have all the images around it on the top, but when you flip it over, they're not the same on the bottom. So you can remove these two pieces, and there is a line on the plastic and a little indentation on the rubber. You can take the rubber part out, line it up with the plastic, put it back in, and then your images that are on the top, they'll be the same on the top and the bottom, so you can better align the image when you go to stamp it on your nail. Now with this, you do put the polish straight onto the stamper, and you can either stamp the polish down or the stamper down on a napkin or piece of paper to get rid of the excess, or you can also just rub it across the napkin and get rid of the excess polish that way. With this sort of stamping, technique, you can use multiple colors of polish. You can use multiple colors of polish with regular stamping, but first I'm going to show you this with the stamping off technique. You apply your polish and then you press it down on the paper multiple times until all you have left is polish in your image, and then you would stamp that onto your nail. For the second method, you will apply your polish, rub the excess off on a napkin or piece of paper, and then what is left you would stamp on your nail. As a comparison, I'm going to show you what it looks like, what the difference is between when you rub off the polish as opposed to when you stamp off the excess and then stamp that on the nail. They are pretty similar. When you rub the polish off, it does kind of make the image a little more blurred than when you stamp that excess polish off.
When I wrote that girl that note, simple fill it in, check yes or no. I never knew it turned out to be the kind of love both wild and free. She holds on to that note for a memory. She keeps it locked in a box she hides behind that sweet perfume that she wears when we go dancing. A priceless thing, the greatest treasure that she'll always hold on to. Her favorite memory she keeps behind that lock and key. College fall.